Hello nature lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. A close-up encounter with the vibrant and lively goldfinch bird. Let's dive right into the fascinating world of this little beauty. Goldfinches are highly social birds, often seen flitting about in flocks. They are particularly fond of sunflower and thistle seeds, which make up a major part of their diet. Watch as this goldfinch delicately feeds. Their conical beak is perfectly adapted for extracting seeds, showcasing the marvels of evolution at work. Did you know that goldfinches are excellent acrobats? Their undulating flight pattern is a joy to witness, as they navigate the air with effortless grace. Just look at those stunning yellow feathers. The American goldfinch, also known as the eastern goldfinch or wild canary, is a small North American bird known for its bright plumage and delightful song. Preening is an important activity for goldfinches, helping them keep their feathers in top condition. This not only maintains their bright appearance but also ensures they can fly efficiently. Thank you for joining us on this brief journey into the life of the goldfinch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife videos. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty of nature.